Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Azim bhai, can you tell us about what is happening today?
So today Khairan has planned a career guidance workshop for those who are new to Adelaide, to South Australia and Australia, and even for those who are looking to change or looking for a new job or opportunities. So this workshop is going to guide them in terms of how to, what all important things they need to do.
The whole objective for this workshop is to let a community know from two different perspectives. One from the user as an applicant, and another one from the recruiter's perspective as from a hiring manager eyes, so that you have both idea what works in the background.
The best way today would be we'll be going through all the potential the issues which usually the new professional students want to get into the professional jobs, and they actually get with a lot of hindrance with the resume makings and with the techniques which they are not actually using because supposed to be using, and apart from that the platform will be discussing which are all the best.